families, welcome back to the channel. In today's training, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to cut and sew children designer joggers. Thanks for watching. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching. Get it covered. HBN now. So let's get started in cutting the amazing pants. So first, I'm going to spread my fabric. I'll make sure it's laid very well without any rumples at the bottom or underneath of the fabric. So after that, I'm going to fold it just like this. After folding it, I will make sure there is no any slope in any area in order for the fabric to look nice when cutting. So I'll draw a straight line here. As you can see, the top is not moderate, so I'll draw a straight line and I will cut it out just to make sure there is no any slope in any area. Just like this. So after that, I'm going to mark 1 inch on fold. 1 inch on fold like this. So you know, if I spread the fabric, the 1 inch will turn to 2 inches, and that is the distance between the first eyelet hole to the second eyelet hole I'm going to put rope in. So I'm going to link up the 1 inches together from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to notch it at the top and also notch it at the bottom. So I'm going to mark another 2 inches. So these 2 inches, I'm going to fold it over and stitch it to become 1 inches when I'm sewing it, because this will be the 1 inches layer I'm going to attach the eyelet button to. So I'm going to link up the 2 inches together as well. So now I'm going to cut my waist measurement. Remember, I'm going to use my hip divided by 4 to cut my waist. So my hip is 26 divided by 4 equals to 6.5 minus the first 1 inch measurement with first stick. It will give off 5.5. So here I mark 5.5 here. Also I mark 5.5 here also. So my crotch measurement is 9, but I'm going to mark 7 because I will still add 2 inches band to the joggers. That will give it 9. So after that, I'm going to mark so I will mark 1.5 inches and I will connect it together. The reason for 1.5 inches is that I'm cutting for children. So this is children joggers. So as you can see that after I add 2 inches to it, it makes 9. So I want to cut my ankle measurement and make it 4.5. So after that, I will place my hip cuff just to make the inseam So after done with the cutting, I want to sew the side design. So I'm going to mark 1 inches as I've done earlier in the first place. So the 1 inches I marked, so I will link it together just like this. So after that, I'm going to fold the second 2 inches I marked. As you can see, I'm going to fold the second 2 inches on it. I will also do that at the bottom. I'm going to fold it on it, so it will give us 1 inches for that layer. I will also do the second side like that also. So you will stitch it down like this, and also I will do the second side like that. After that, you will also stitch it down like that. So as you can see, this is the actual design we have. So after stitching it down, so I've stitched it. As you can see, this is what we get. So after that, I'm going to mark the area to place my eyelet button to. So I marked 2.5 inches all over. So after marking it, I'm going to insert the eyelet button. So this is what we get. So if you derive any value from this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel. And if you don't know how to cut a perfect joggers pant, check my channel. I've made a video on that.